Hi, my project proposal for the capstone is transitional care, pharmacy focused, medication focused. I chose to have this project done based on the years of experience in hospital pharmacy for 15 years. I've noticed the returns of medication that we receive every day. Therefore, the background of this project is based on that and focusing on the transfer of medication when the patient goes to a unit or discharged. The pharmacy receives medication returns, causing waste of the medication, the time spent on putting it, restocking it, the delay of treatment when the patient goes from one unit to the other, and also causing medication errors when the medication is updated. My supervisor is Derek May, who is also my mentor for this project. Need assessment. The need for this project is that, as I said earlier, numerous amount of returns of medication comes back to pharmacy. Need to focus on the waste that is being caused and the financial effects of the waste that comes in not delivering the meds in the right manner. The stakeholders for this projects are the pharmacy department, the administration, the pharmacist, pharmacy technician, and most importantly, the patients. What I'm trying to accomplish with this project is the minimization of the medication returns and to improve the quality of delivery of medication to the patient. The three points that agreeable and not agreeable and will be in the medium are one, nurses who will not be agreeable with this project idea because they focus more on the clinical side of serving the patients, but will still need to be informed about the project as they are the key towards delivering the meds to the patient and also returning the meds to the pharmacy. Our pharmacy financial manager focuses on the Pareto principle, which is an 80-22 rule, which does focus on high-end products than the smaller price medications such as aspirin or multivitamins. And the third one who will be supportive but think it's a waste of time is the technicians and pharmacists, because no matter what the situation is, the policy of pharmacy is that if the nurse requests the medication, we immediately have to deliver the meds in order for the quality of care for the patient. Therefore, no matter what, we believe that we still are wasting time in explanation towards the nurses. Still waste is being created, and it also requires an extra person or overtime to do the work of returning things back to stock. The intervention is that it is important to provide quality, improved services such as immediate treatment, immediate availability of drugs, and cost savings. And our goal is to have less return of medication and improve the quality of services and have cost-effective benefits. The requirements and tools for this project is using data analytics and benchmarking the return maths. Also, the data need to be retrieved through data need to be retrieved from our financial side by looking at the medications that were used in a month or 3 months, looking at the data of expensive versus less expensive drugs. We can also focus on a particular floor, like a surgical floor or a recovery floor or 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 ER, in order to target set data and log into looking at the top 5 or 10 drugs and focus on the expense and how much of return happens in each day. This can be done by collecting the list of drugs that are supplied to the floor. And some of the literature that supports it are from the Association of Healthcare Internal Auditors, from the NCBI, and also, yeah, these are the mostly the 3 literature sources that I have. Thank you.